Good morning. Welcome to this peaceful space. Just for you. Wherever you are, whatever this new day holds, you've already taken a beautiful step by being here. So let's begin this morning. Not with rush, but with presence. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your eyes gently close, and just for these next few minutes, give yourself the gift of your own attention. Begin by simply noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. Don't try to change it. Just feel the cool air as it enters and the warmer air as it leaves. The gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. With each exhale, imagine releasing any lingering fog of sleep, any remnants of yesterday. Let it all go on the out-breath. And with each inhale, imagine drawing in the fresh potential of this brand new day. Now, bring your awareness gently into your body. Starting at the crown of your head, just scan down with your mind's eye. Releasing any tightness in your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Let them soften. Notice the points of contact where your body meets the chair or the bed. Feel supported. Feel held. As we settle in, I invite you to set a simple, gentle intention for your day. It's not a task to complete, but a quality to carry. Perhaps it's calm or clarity. Maybe it's patience or kindness. Whichever word resonates, silently place it in your heart. Let this be the quiet anchor you can return to, no matter how the day unfolds. Let's take 3 deeper cleansing breaths together now. Inhale slowly, filling up with peace. Exhale fully, releasing all that you do not need. Inhale, welcoming clarity. Exhale, letting go of worry. One more. Inhale deeply, a sense of calm. And as you exhale, a sense of ease. For these final moments, simply rest in this feeling of quiet awakening. The day is there, waiting. But here, in this space, there is only peace. There is only this breath. There is only this moment, fresh and new. Very gently, begin to waken your awareness. Notice the sounds around you. Feel the energy in your body. And when you're ready, at your own pace, allow your eyes to softly open. Good morning, again. You've just nourished your mind and spirit. Carry this little pocket of peace with you. If this peaceful start resonated with you, please subscribe and hit the bell. Let's make this a daily ritual. Every day, a new opportunity to take a deep breath together. To find calm and clarity side by side. Thank you for meditating with me. Be gentle with yourself today.